Welcome to the Genius ERP Education Management System. Efficiently manage school assets and inventory with our module, track usage, maintenance, and depreciation, and streamline purchase requests and approvals, stay organized and save time. Visit www.geniusedusoft.com and log in with your provided username and password. As you enter your username and password and click on the Sign In button, you will come to this page. Today we will see the Asset and Inventory Management module in detail, here under the Store Masters. You can manage store categories and store types. Under the Store Category section, you get a list of all the store categories. To add a new category, click on Add Store Category button, enter the category name here, let us write Uniforms here, then enter the store category code. Let us write 009, now click on the Submit button and the store category will be added. Under the Store Type section, you get a list of various types of stores. To add a new type, click on Add Store Type button, enter the store type here, let us write Uniforms here. Then enter the store type code here, let us write 5 here, now click on the Submit button and the store type will be added. Here, you get a list of all the stores. To add a new store, click on Add Store button, select Store Type, select Store Category, enter the store name here. Let us write D-Mart here, enter the store code here, let us write 104, enter invoice prefix, for example, write DM, now click on the Submit button and the store will be added to the list. Here you get a category-wise items list. To add a new item category, click on Add Item Category button. Enter the category name here, let us write Table here, then enter the item code here, let us write 8 here, now click on the Submit button and the item category will be added. Under the Store Items section, you get a store-wise item list. To add a new item to a store, click on Add Store Item button, select the store here, enter the store item name here, let us write pencil here, now enter the store item code here as 5, enter the quantity here, for example, write 20, enter the price of per piece here, let us write 10 here. Enter the tax percentage for the item here, for example, write 0 here, enter batch number if required, select this checkbox if the item is sellable, select the item category from the list, then click on the Submit button and the item will be added. Here you get the list of different types of suppliers. To add a new type, click on the Add Supplier Type button, add the supplier type name here, for example, write wholesaler here, enter supplier code as 002, after making the entries. Click on the Submit button and the supplier type will be added. Here you get the suppliers list. To add a new supplier, click on Add Supplier button, select the supplier type here, enter the supplier name here, let us write Shopify here. Enter the contact number of the supplier to contact him or her for the deals, enter the address of the shop or supplier here, enter the TIN number here, for example, write 1234, enter the region here, enter the help desk details here if required for future help. Now click on the Submit button and the supplier will be added. Here under this section, you get a list of all the purchase orders. To add a new purchase order, click on Add Purchase Order button, the purchase order number will be automatically generated, select the store here. Select the supplier type here, select the supplier from the list, add reference if required, here, select the store item, select the quantity of the item here, enter discount and tax if applicable here. To order multiple items click on Add Item button, similarly. Select the item to be added. Now click on the Submit button and the purchase order will be submitted. Here you get a list of requests for orders made by faculties. To request a new order, click on Add Request Order button, select the store here, select the employee from the list. Select the department, select the item, enter the quantity for that item here. To request multiple items to order, click on Add Item button and make entries accordingly as done above. Now click on the Submit button and the order request will be submitted. Under the Billing section, you get a list of all the invoices generated. To generate an invoice, click on the Billing button, select the store here, select whether the bill is for a student or an employee, enter the registration number here, enter the address here, enter the item code here, for example, enter 1 here. Enter the quantity according to the needs. To add more items, click on Add Item button and make similar entries as done above. Now enter discount and taxes if required here. Select this checkbox is the amount is paid. Now click on the Submit button and the invoice will be generated. Under this section, you get a GRN list, which is goods received note list. You get item-wise reports or invoice reports. Here, select the store. Now select the item category and click on the search button. You will get an item-wise inventory report. Here under this section, select store. Select the dates and click on the search button. You will get a list of invoice reports. For further details, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.